Hi friends, welcome to Tackleknowledgechannel. So today we are going to see about the cytoplasm definition. Okay, cytoplasm refers to the fluid that fills the cell. So if we see the cytoplasm, it contains the fluidity inside the cell. Okay, which includes the cytosol along with the filaments, proteins, ions and macromolecular structures, as well as the organelles suspended in the cytoplasm. So the cytoplasm is included with the filaments, proteins, ions and macromolecular structures as well as organelles inside the cytosol. Okay. In eukaryotic cell, cytoplasm refers to the content of the cell with the exception of the nucleus. So if we see the eukaryotic cells, cytoplasm refers to the content of the cell with exception of a nucleus. Okay. Eukaryotes have elaborate mechanisms for maintaining a distinct nuclear compartments separate from the cytoplasm. So in eukaryotes, the mechanism for maintaining a distinct nuclear compartment is separated from the cytoplasm. Okay. Active transport is involved in the creation of these subcellular structures and for maintaining homeostasis with the cytoplasm. So active transport is involved in the subcellular structures. Okay, and for maintaining homeostasis with the cytoplasm. For prokaryotic cells, since they do not have a defined nuclear membrane, the cytoplasm also contains the cell primary genetic material. So in prokaryotic cell, nuclear membrane is not present. Okay, the cytoplasm is containing the cell primary genetic material. Okay, these cells are usually smaller in comparison to eukaryotes. So prokaryotes are smaller when compared with the eukaryotes. Okay, and have a simpler internal organizations of the cytoplasm and also having an internal organizations of the cytoplasm. So prokaryotes contains a simpler internal organization in the cytoplasm. Okay, next we will be seeing about the structure of cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is unusual because it is unlike another fluid found in the physical world. So if we see the structure of the cytoplasm, it is unusual. Okay, because it is unlike any other fluid found in the physical world. So it is like unlike any other fluid found in the physical world. Liquids that are studied to understand diffusion usually contain a few solutes in an aqueous environment. So the cytoplasm, which is in the form of a liquidity, it is studying about the diffusion. Okay, it is making understand as diffusion usually contains a few solutes in an aqueous environment. However, the cytoplasm is a mixture and crowded system containing a wide range of particles. So cytoplasm is a complex and it is a crowded system containing a wide range of particles, okay, from ions and small molecules. So the cytoplasm is a complex and crowded system containing a wide range of particles from ions and small molecules to proteins as well as giant multi-protein complexes and organelles. So the cytoplasm is a complex and crowded system. It is having a wide range of particles like ions and smaller molecules, okay, to proteins as well as giant multi-protein complexes and organelles inside the cytoplasm. Okay, these constituents are moved across the cell depending on the requirement of the cell along an elaborate cytoskeleton with the help of specialized motor proteins. So constituents are moved across the cell depending on the requirement of the cell along an elaborate cytoskeleton with the help of specialized motor proteins. So the cytoplasm consists of a cytoskeleton. It is helping for the specialized motor proteins. Okay, the movement of such large particles also change the physical properties of the cytoplasm. So the movement of such large particles also changes the physical properties of the cytosol. Okay, the physical nature of the cytoplasm is variable. So if we see the physical nature of a cytoplasm, it is a variable. Sometimes there is a quick diffusion across the cell, making the cytoplasm resemble a colloidal solution. So if we see sometimes a quick diffusion is running across the cell, okay, which is making the cytoplasm to resemble as a colloidal solution. Okay, at other times It appears to take on the properties of a gel-like and glass-like substances. So at other times it appears like a gel-like substance or glass-like substances. Okay. It is said to have the properties of viscous as well as elastic materials capable of deforming slowly under external force in addition to regaining its original shape with minimal loss of energy. So it is said that the properties of viscous as well as elastic materials of the cytoplasm is capable of deforming slowly under external forces. Okay, in addition to regain its original shape with the minimal loss of energy. Okay, parts of the cytoplasm close to the plasma membrane are also stiffer, while the regions near the interior resembles free flowing liquids. So if we see the part of the cytoplasm, it is close to the plasma membrane. Okay, it is looking like a stiffer, while the region near the interior resembles free flowing liquids. Okay, these changes in the cytoplasm appears to be dependent on the metabolic processes within the cell and play an important role in carrying out specific functions and protecting the cell from stressors. Okay, so the changes in the cytoplasm appears is depending on the metabolic processes within the cell. Okay, and an important role is carrying out specific functions and protecting the cell from stressors. Okay, cytoplasm can be divided into three components: the cytoskeleton with its associated motor proteins, organelles and other large multi-protein complexes, cytoplasmic inclusions and dissolved solutes. So the cytoplasm can be divided into three components, like cytoskeleton is associated with the motor proteins. Okay, and organelles and other multi-protein complexes are present, and also cytoplasmic inclusions and dissolved solutes are the three components of the cytoplasm. Okay friends, thank you. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please kindly like, share and subscribe it with your friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye.